हेलो एवरीवन, मैं आपका दोस्ती रुकैया है। ये वाला मेरा पुत्र है।
Putter, what's a putter?
पुत्र, what's पुत्र?
Huh?
What is पुत्र?
I don't know.
पुत्र means child, my child. Okay? So, do you speak Urdu?
Yes.
Yes, you speak Urdu? Can you tell me what else you can speak in Urdu?
I don't know.
For example, how to say, what's your name in Urdu?
My name is Hila.
Oh, what is your name?
Urdu.
आपका नाम
आपका नाम
क्या है?
क्या है?
Okay, आपका नाम क्या है?
रहिया.
रहील है. मेरा पुत्र उर्दू सीख रहा है. ये चार साल दा उम्र है. Before he didn't learn Urdu because we were in China. Now some months past, he's going to school and he's learning from school and at home from my sas. Yes, she's teaching a little bit Urdu. So, what else can you speak in Urdu?
I don't know.
Like, can you tell me some fruits name? What is
Mango.
Mango. And what else?
Save.
Seb. What is seb?
Apple.
Apple. And then
I don't know.
grapes. How do we say grapes?
Angoor.
Angur. Yes. And can you tell me some vegetables name?
I don't know.
For example, potato. What do we say potato?
Aloo.
Aloo. Yes. And carrot.
I don't know.
Gajar.
Gajar.
Yes. Perfect. And what is your favorite food in Pakistan? Favorite food?
Veggie.
Veggies? Do you like veggies in Pakistan? Or do you like curry, biryani? What do you like?
Noodles.
Oh, noodles. He likes noodles, of course, because he
And burger.
A burger. Yes, he's been in China for 4 years.
And I like goshet.
Goshet. Okay, what is goshet in English? Goshet. Meat. Yes. What meat? Like chicken or beef or mutton? Which one is your favorite? Mutton. Okay, he likes mutton. Yeah, because when we were in China, he likes to eat barbecue and and veggies. But here in Pakistan, I think Pakistani food is fully cooked, so we cannot see what veggies are in our plates. So
and I like bubble gum.
A bubble gum. You like Pakistani bubble gum? Okay. And do you know who is the founder of Pakistan?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, you're going to learn at school, okay? You learn from your teacher. Do you know Urdu alphabets?
No.
Alif, Be, Pe.
Alif, Be, Pe, Te, Se. Jim, Che, He, Ke, Dal. Zal. Ye.
And then?
Sheen.
Okay. Can you sing that Be, Be, Se, Bandar, the alphabet song?
I can't sing.
Oh, you can't sing?
No.
Sing a little bit for everyone. Everyone wants to listen. How you sing Be, Se, Bandar?
Alif se anai, baya mujik dai. Alif se anai, baya mujik dai. Be se bandar, baja wandar. से समर काई में कमर से समर काई में कमर टे से तितली मोरों से ओ तितली टे से तितली मोरों से ओ तितली. Then what?
Oh, then I don't know. That was great. So good. Okay. Now this is can you say goodbye everyone?
Goodbye everyone.